Welcome to my channel Good Mind Gyan. Like my channel, share my channel and also comment on my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today's topic is crop production and management, class 8 CBSE science subject, part 2. Let us see what is sowing. Sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high yield. We can produce the crops in a traditional method of sowing. Activity 1.1 tells us to take a beaker and fill it half with water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir them well and wait for some time. Are there seeds which float on water? Would those be lighter or heavier than those which sink? Why would they be lighter? Damaged seeds become hollow and others lighter. Therefore, they float on water. This is a good method for separating good healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing seeds. The traditional method of sowing we can use is the tool used traditionally. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. Sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil. Here in the picture you can see the farmer using a funnel to fill the seeds. There is a pipe, 2-3 pipes are attached and there is a sharp end, and through this the seeds pass on and go deep into the soil. Next we have a seed drill. Nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This sows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures the seed is covered by the soil after sowing. This protects seed from being eaten by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. It is sowed at appropriate distance to avoid overcrowding of plants. At times a few plants may have to be removed to prevent overcrowding. Adding manure and fertilizers. Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crop plants. Continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, the farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called as manuring. Improper or insufficient manuring results in weak plants. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal wastes. Farmers dump plant and animal wastes in pits at open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. Next activity is take moong or gram seeds and germinate them. Select 3 equal sized seedlings and take 3 empty glasses or similar vessels. Mark them as A, B and C. In A, add a little amount of soil mixed with little cow dung manure. In B, same amount of soil mixed with a little urea, and in C, same amount of soil in glass C without adding anything. Now pour the same amount of water in each of the glass and plant the seedlings in them. Keep it safe and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, you will observe their growth. Did the plants in all the glasses grow at the same pace? First glass, that is A, is with cow dung manure. The second one is with urea and the third one does not have either manure nor urea. So the first one is with a natural manure. Okay, the second one is with a fertilizer. The third one has neither of them. So just guess. Manure and fertilizers play a very important role. Fertilizers are the chemicals which are rich in particular nutrient. They are different from manure. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Okay, like example, urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, etc. The use of manure improves the soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. So this is fertilizers and manures are used in agriculture.